policemen like this? I'd like to bring into the debate right now Dr. Srinivas Rajkumar T. Dr. Srinivas, you're seeing these pictures. I think you've written extensive letters to the authorities yourself. I think you need to speak up, because unfortunately, whenever we make a point like this, it is looked at either politically or through some communal lens which does not exist.
It is unfortunate that such events are happening all around the country, but it is also important to emphasize that the answer for violence is not violence. We are the country who taught non-violence to the whole world. So it is important that we have to address the key issue. The medical fraternity has been continuously writing to the ministry to implement a bill to protect the healthcare workers for long. The health ministry under the leadership of Dr. Harshvardhan had forwarded a bill for the same to the Home Ministry, and it was rejected in late 2019. So we are basically trying to build the ship after the deluge has come. Just because there is lockdown, the kind of violence against doctors is being noticed now. While it is important that healthcare professionals have to be protected, it is also important to sensitize the public. People all around the world are scared to face this pandemic. They are afraid of the nature of the disease, and they are afraid if they will communicate this disease from people who are affected, from the healthcare professional. So the anger against healthcare professional, the anger against police is palpable, because they feel that their individual liberty is being curbed by people.
Dr. Srinivas, 1 minute. While I'm understanding what you're trying to say, I don't understand your logic. How are people's individual liberty taken away if someone's coming to treat them? I want Gaurav on the debate. Just explain this to me. You are saying that we can understand that the people are afraid. You are trying to talk about a legislation you tried to build in. Now, let me tell you, Dr. Srinivas, I very much appreciate, I can't see you on the screen now,